Hello and welcome to my video review of the Home Accents Holiday Disney Minnie and Mickey Kissing Inflatable. So I've pulled the inflatable out of the box and you can see I actually still have it in the bag, and for a very good reason. It'll come with instructions as well as these metal posts to hold it secure to the ground. However, I will note, based on my experience with the 12-foot inflatable Christmas dragon, which Home Depot also carries, these straight ones will do almost no good for you. The ones that are spiraled definitely will work. I do recommend though that if you're using tie downs, you get the heavy duty tie downs. I had a windstorm last year after I'd set up the dragon. It ended up picking up the dragon and snapped all 4 tie downs that were lightweight. So definitely make sure you have heavyweight ones. I'm in the Chicagoland area, so we get a lot of wind. So what I'm going to do is, because the stand is facing the top, I'm going to take this, flip it upside down, and we're going to take the cord, basically position it towards the sidewalk, because that's where my power cord is next to, and set it up just like that, and then simply plug it in. Really is not much more to it. I apologize. As I said, we do get a lot of wind, so that's why my phone also fell just now. But I'm going to do a little wrap around here where you'll be able to see, despite the wind, the inflatable pretty much holds up. Obviously I don't have it staked down, but you can see there's a little piece that's connecting the two so that they continue to kiss. They won't basically fly apart and look like they're just laying dead on the ground. I do like the lights in this one. Lights up the tree, as well as both Minnie and Mickey, and the Christmas gift that's between them. Oddly enough though, they didn't put a light in the purple one, or in the signage below saying "Kiss Kiss Holiday Kisses." Kind of odd there. I would have expected like maybe a string light going across there to illuminate that during the dark. But overall, I'm pleased with it. And like I said, if you stake it down, I fully expect it to hold itself standing up properly, even with the higher wind speeds right now. So thank you very much for watching my video review, and happy holidays.